MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides exceptional dryer vent cleaning services in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, guaranteeing the utmost efficiency and safety of your dryer system. Our team is highly skilled and focused on delivering thorough and efficient results. We understand the importance of removing accumulated lint and debris to eliminate fire hazards and ensure optimal efficiency for your dryer. Our technicians are highly skilled and equipped with advanced tools to efficiently remove blockages and improve airflow. This not only helps reduce energy consumption but also extends the lifespan of your dryer. Contact us today to schedule an appointment and guarantee the safety and effectiveness of your dryer. Are you looking for a dryer vent cleaning service near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. Why is dryer vent cleaning important? Regular dryer vent cleaning is essential for preventing lint and debris accumulation, lowering the danger of fires, and ensuring that your dryer runs efficiently. What are the possible consequences of not cleaning dryer vents? Failure to clean your dryer vents may result in greater fire hazards owing to lint accumulation, lower efficiency, higher energy costs, and possible component damage. What is your service area for the Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania office? Our dryer vent cleaning professionals have served customers in Drexel Hill, Springfield, Clifton Heights, Lansdowne, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, and Yeadon, Pennsylvania. Where is your Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania dryer vent cleaning service office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/Drexel-Hill-AC-Heating-Repair-Install.